How to factory reset a Samsung phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can factory reset a Samsung phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to factory reset a Samsung device, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then open up settings. Once you open up settings, what you actually want to do is simply go to this option from the bottom known as About Phone. Once you go to About Phone, look at the very bottom, you'll find the option called Reset. So tap on the Reset option here. And here you can reset all settings, reset network settings, reset accessibility setting. But of course, that's not what we're looking for. We're trying to factory reset it. So tap on Factory Data Erase. Make sure you back all of your data, because once you erase it, you're not going to be able to get it back. So you can tap the Reset option to continue with the reset process. This way you should be able to factory reset your Samsung device. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.